Hello traders, Fund Your FX are in the house, partnered up with Bulletproof Traders to give you this exclusive Forex market trade of the day video. And today guys, I want to introduce a new trading position for us. We pulled the trigger hours ago, so it's very fresh. We identified an interesting breakdown on the euro versus the Canadian dollar. And we've been following up with this one for a while because we've seen price action starting to top out. It was on the up and up for a while, and then we saw price action starting to trade sideways, and then the breakdown. Now this breakdown is actually happening in two stages. The first breakdown was 48.90. That gave us the first indication that this breakdown might be legit, and we're talking about a potential downside reversal of the underlying trend, right? Now we see today, this week, we saw price action starting on the upside actually, going back to that 48.90 and checking up on it, making sure it's a solid resistance at this point, which it was because it pushed price action downwards, and now we have price action crossing below 48.11. This is the real breakdown point. This is the real point of reference for us. And you can see that as price action began to drill through, this is where we pulled the trigger the first time. So position is relatively small at this point. We would like to gain more confidence. We want to see price action base itself below these two levels, but especially below 48.11. Now this is the weekly chart. I want to show you how this would be looking like from the big picture monthly chart, because here we go back all the way to April 2023. So we're talking about a year and a half where price action been trading trendless. It's been trading sideways back and forth in this defined range from the levels of 43 all the way up to the levels of 150. You can see that it's now turning around right off the top, and we feel like there's a lot of potential for price action to come back to where it came from. So back to the area of 140, 141, 142. Having said that, we're going to be focusing on the level of 143.85, mostly because there's a powerful key level support, and we feel like this is going to be the next stop. If price action is indeed turning around full-fledged downside reversal, then I think it's going to hit that level at some point in the near future. Looking at this from the daily perspective, from the daily chart perspective, you can see the target is very ambitious. We're talking about almost probably around 350 points right ahead of us potentially. We got our stop loss level. Let's check this. Let's check it out. Sitting at 149.50, so we're about 200 pip away from price action. But the minute we secure that breakdown, right, preferably with the weekly closing bar, right, that's going to be the confirmation. A weekly closing bar below 48.11 will solidify this breakdown, will give us that confidence to increase our position size and get more aggressive as we're moving towards the big target 143.85. All right, guys, that's pretty much about that in a nutshell. New short position, Euro Canadian. Hope you enjoyed that video. We're going to see you in the next one. Take care.